Here's the 18 SuperCool. Take the cup off here. You can see the arrangement here. It's got a little bit different gas lens than the standard 18. And the water flows around the head, up around here, instead of just stopping in the neck. This is the standard 18. The water just flows just up into the neck. It doesn't make it around the head. Here they are side by side. You can see they're quite similar. Just one runs a little bit cooler. The problem is you can't get the large gas lens for the SuperCool torch like you can for the 18. So I'm going to solve that problem. Here I'm going to show you how to come up with the large gas lens for an 18 SuperCool. The standard WP18 has gas lenses like these. This is the medium. This is the large. A SuperCool torch has a gas lens that looks like this. It's a lot shorter. You can see it's quite a bit different than the standard 18. As luck would have it, the shaft size on the large one here for the WP18 was the same diameter as the threaded portion of the gas lens for the SuperCool. So I've just cut them off and threaded them so they'll screw right on to the torch. And I did end up, this one does end up being about an 1/8 of an inch longer, needing an 1/8 of an inch longer collet rather. So I did put in an adapter, a little spacer down in the bottom there that cures that problem, so I can still use the standard 10N collet. Now I can run the larger cups, the 10 and the 12 cups,